What is going on, guys and gals? Hey, so in this video, we're going to go away from local SEO. We're going to go away from GMBs and ranking in the local space. And I'm going to talk to you about a little bit about affiliate SEO, national SEO, e-commerce SEO. And the whole goal is this niche, in the sense national SEO, e-commerce, affiliate, they can be very, very competitive. But if you know where to look for, what to look for, you can actually find some hidden gems and some easy wins and make money. And when I say money, yep, you can make 500,000 bucks a month, or you can actually even make 10, 20, 30K a month. And I'm going to show this to you right now. Okay. So, I had a client in the past who wanted an e-commerce SEO, who wanted an e-commerce website, and she was selling hair extensions. So I went down this route of doing a website and optimizing and keyword research, and this is what I found, right? This is just one example. I'll try to see if I can show you other examples, but let's start with this, right? Hair extensions online. Number one, this is a huge industry. Okay, people making millions of dollars in this industry. As a matter of fact, the top guys that come up, Bellamy Hair and Lakshmi Hair, these guys are multi-million-dollar companies. And I went down the rabbit hole of hair extensions. It's a 50, 60, sometimes 70% profit margin. So if they're selling a product for 350 bucks, the cost to acquire it is probably 100 bucks, and they're making $250 profit. And this is big. This is huge, hair extensions, okay? Now, here's the thing. If I go Bellamy Hair Extensions, I'm going to open that page, that website up. Here we go, right? Let's see how many pages this website has. It's got 7,600 pages. So huge, big, massive websites. The keyword hair extensions online, it's got 3,600 searches a month. Not to mention other related keywords like near me, Lakshmi. Just look at the Lakshmi brand and the Bellamy brand, okay? But tape-in hair extension, clip-in hair extension, this is huge. But look at the search results, 72 million results, right? So if I were to go, or if you were to go and try to put up a website and rank for hair extensions online, it's going to take you a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of content, a lot of resources, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to find hidden gems here. So I'm going to go take up this Bellamy Hair and throw it in Ahrefs. As you can see, they have 2,000 domains, 130,000 backlinks. They're being picked up or being ranked by Google for 56,000 keywords. They have 250,000 people a month landing on their website. So now when I go and take a look at, okay, what kind of keywords are they ranking for? Look at this. Hair store near me. I've sorted this by volume. More searches, sorted by the highest number of searches, right? So hair store near me, 500,000 searches a month. They're position 42. Balayage, I have no idea what that is. We're looking at that. Position, 250,000. So this is going to be competitive. If you're going to rank for a keyword hair or wigs with so many searches, it is going to be competitive, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to come down this rabbit hole and see if you can go to page 4, page 5, something like this, and find some keywords that are 6,000, 4,000, 3,000, maybe 800, 900 searches a month, and see if that's something we can go into. So when I was going through this, I looked into pink ombre hair. Now I have no idea what pink ombre hair is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it over here, pink ombre hair, and I'm going to see the search results, right? Google, this keyword everywhere tool says 14,000 searches a month. Ahrefs says 6,000 searches a month. So there's enough volume, right? It's a range here, but somewhere in that it's huge, okay? What kind of results? We're getting images, okay? Then we're getting all these DA76 website. Oops, you see this DA76 website, okay? Buyerd.com, DA46, then Pinterest. Like, these are huge websites. But what I did is, if I take pink ombre hair, this main keyword, I go to namecheap.com and I want to see if the .com, the exact match .com domain is available. So .hair is available, but is the .com available? Let's wait for that and look at that. pinkombrehair.com is available for $10. You see that? Just so you understand, if I were to search for personal injury lawyer, I'm just doing this off the cuff right now, Dallas, chances are high that .com is not available. Oh, look at that. It's a premium domain, $2,000. Do you see that? $2,000. But pink ombre hair, which is a national level keyword, where did that go? Pink ombre hair was available, right? So when I can get that domain pinkombrehair.com and I can build out a website all about pink ombre hair, because look at what is ranking. The guys who are ranking here, the websites ranking here are all inner pages. This variety.com has everything about makeup, and they have a page for nails, a pink ombre hair. Pinterest, right? You know, Pinterest is it's got everything about everything, and a page is ranking. Chasing Daisy's blog, it's all about beauty, and it's got a page on ombre pink ranking. Does it make sense? So if I put up a website, pinkombrehair.com, where we go? Sorry, hair.com, right? And then I put pages for each of these keywords that Google tells us: brown pink ombre hair short, blonde extensions. Look at these searches: 390, 480. This is what got my eyes at 90,500 searches a month, pink ombre nails. So I went and searched for that, pink ombre nails. Look at that, 90,500 searches a month. And I went and searched Namecheap, and pinkombrenails.com is available, right? Ahrefs says that pink ombre nails is got 44,000 searches. This is crazy search volume. And Ahrefs is giving us all these different searches that people are asking for or searching, right? Google is giving us all these different ones, right? So you can put up a page for each of this: pink ombre hairs with glitter, a page on that. Pink ombre nails coffin, I have no idea what this is. But the whole idea is, you put up a page, you can write content, use ChatGPT, use a VA, write content, right? Put a lot of pictures, because mostly in search results like this, it's a lot on images, right? So put this up, and then you can go affiliate marketing. You can put links to like this, which will probably be a link to a product in Amazon.com. Does that make sense? So this is another one, and there's a link to another Amazon.com, and you can do that, and you can easily get traffic and make money. Second thing you can do is you can put up a digital product. So something like, people are asking these questions, where do we go? How to do pink and white ombre nails. Okay, pink and white ombre nails. Look at that, 13,000. How to do is 80, right? I can literally take this, or maybe let me take pink and white ombre nails. I can write a whole 10-page document on the 7 things to do for pink ombre nails. Whatever, I don't even know how to pronounce it, right? And when people land on your website, you have a whole an opt-in that says, opt in your email ID, name and email, and receive the 10 top things to do when it comes to pink ombre hair, pink ombre nails, things like that, and start collecting emails. And then you can do a digital product if you want to sell. You can do affiliate links. There's so many things you can do. So I just went down one website, bellamyhair.com. I went down this rabbit hole and I found 2, right? Here is the 𝐼𝐍 keeps coming up. I have no idea. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, let's search 𝐼𝐍 hair blonde. Okay, what is 𝐼𝐍 hair? Again, look at this, inner page is coming up. So my first thing is, I'm going to go to Namecheap and find out if the .com is available, right? Why am I searching for a .com? Because if the .com is available, the primary domain keyword is available, I can build pages around that. So if I just go for search for this, right, I can put the I can build out the 𝐉𝐻𝐈𝐍.com, and then I can put pages for all of this. Go to Google keyword research and build out a lot more, right? Look at 𝐉𝐻𝐈𝐍, 301,000 searches. Chances are high that main keyword may not be there. I'd be surprised if it is there. Or look at that. If it is there, it's $6,000, right? $6,000. But you can buy a .NET if you want to, right? The whole idea is this can take a bit of time, but this will be a cash cow. We don't need GMBs and all the uncertainty that goes around GMBs. This requires some content, a lot of content to be honest, but with tools like artificial, AI tools like ChatGPT and all that, we can build out these pages and literally put affiliate links and all that and make it a long-term cash cow, right? This is just affiliate side. We can take the same thing and then monetize it with e-commerce if you want to. We can, we can go down the YouTube rabbit hole. I'm not even going down that road, right? And I just went down bellamyhair.com and hair extensions online. I can keep going down this rabbit hole, find other ones, maybe even lesser searches, locks with curly ends, maybe go for that. Hair toppers. Let me see if we can find one more, right? Another example I would say is go to something and search for something trending. So let's say Kim Kardashian. Look, this is trending. Kim Kardashian. Let's just search for Kim Kardashian. How do you even pronounce her name? Right? Find anything that's trending. Celebrities' names. Kim Kardashian, Jennifer Lopez, Kylie Jenner, Andrew Tate. Right? Get her the top website that is ranking. Right? So we can take any of these, or we can go Kardashian, I think she has her own hair or something. So let's say Kardashian hair, maybe hairstyle, hair, okay, and find something there, and then go down that rabbit hole. And this is just in hair. You can actually go for health, put health and wellness. Okay, look at that. Health and wellness, 49,000 searches a month. Just pick the top guy that's ranking. That makes sense. So maybe something like this. Let's look at medicinenet.com. Pick up medicinenet.com, put it in Ahrefs, and then you can go down the rabbit hole and find keywords. Look at this. Massage, 5.3 million searches a month. Now, can you take massage and go massage.com? You can. Chances are high you may not find the .com, and even if you do, it's going to be very, very competitive. Look at that, right? There's no .com, right? But if you go down this rabbit hole, go to page something, this is extremely competitive, but you can go down this and go find something. Let's see if we can find something. Bacterial skin rash. All right, even this is competitive, but just take an example. Bacterial skin rash. Search for that. Right now, when you go down this rabbit hole, you can find out questions around this: treatment, pictures, on face, and this is big. Is bacterial skin rash available? The .com. My goodness, look at that. .com is available. It's going to take you some time to build it out, but you can build it out big time. Toddler, treatment, cure. Go to Google Keyword Planner, get a ton of information, right? It's going to take you some time, but even without many backlinks, just on-page optimization and interlinking, you will start getting traffic. And using PBNs and things like that we teach, you can get a lot more traffic, and then you can monetize it with affiliate and all that. Now, you don't even have to go bacterial skin rash because that's very, very competitive. Go for bacterial skin rash treatment.com. Right? Let's check that out. There it is, right? And build it out over that. So all about this and more. Look at that. At home, pictures, itching, symptoms. You get all of this in Hindi for dogs. Wow, for dogs, right? That brings me to the other point. Pet niche is big. So pet supplies is huge, right? You can go pet supplies, then go for a related keyword that could be, something that is in that pet supplies affiliate programs, pet supplies grooming, pet grooming, right? Pet grooming supplies, 2400. Got it? And then you can go down the pet grooming e-commerce niche if you want, affiliate niche, go pet grooming supplies. Do you have the .com? Come on. The .com is not available. So I would then suggest not to go for it. Why? Because somebody already has the .com and probably has building it out there, right? So this may not be the best thing, but you can keep going, right? So this is just another way in the affiliate e-commerce national space. There's so many of these keywords that are out there that you can easily make some, even $1,000 a month with just content. I'm not talking backlinks, no GMBs, nothing. As a matter of fact, when I go down this route, I want to find out something that's, let me sort this by volume, number one, and then go down this rabbit hole. Let's go find something less than 1,000 searches a month, and let's see how that can be monetized. So less than 1,000 searches a month. So something like this, just 1,000, 1,300 searches a month, right? You can go and just build a website around wavy hair extensions. I don't know if that .com is available, but check it. So instead of building it out for hair extensions, you're only building it out for wavy hair extensions. The .com is not available. So we skip it. We keep going. Where did that go? We keep going, and then we can go down and see. Let's keep going. Human hair short curly wigs. Check that out. Micro loop. So you're sub-niching within the niche itself, right? Just brown, purple, ombre hair or micro loop hair extensions. So even within hair extensions, just go for micro loop hair extensions. And if the .com is available, build that out. Look at that right there. And if I go and search for micro loop hair extensions, what are the top ones who are coming? These guys are all inner pages, right? Amazon, all of these inner pages coming. We can build it out to microloophairextensions.com and then look at all the different pages we can put up. Near me, cost, installation, tutorial. Tutorials are big. Like, this is amazing. This is crazy. Okay. So just want to throw this out there, guys. There's so many ways you can make money once you know keyword research and then how to rank websites, right? That's the whole idea.